aking formula lang sa pag-balance is focus of what is happening now.
Yes.
Halimbawa po, pag nasa Pilipinas ako, focus naman ako doon sa kung ano yung trabaho ko doon.
Yes, yes.
Pagkakasama ko yung anak ko, focus lang ako as a mother.
Oo.
Pagka sa PBC, ginagawa ko, which is kumakain ng oras, as chairman naman na I wear that hat during that time. Kasi pag hindi kakayanin na magiging struggle yung pag lahat nasa isip mo
Yes.
at gusto mong gawin lahat, hindi naman po yun ideal.
Oo.
So, may time din naman ako para sa pamilya ko, sa asawa ko, at pagkasama ko naman yung asawa ko, and dati na-request ko sa PBC, as much as possible, Sunday, huwag tayong magtrabaho.
Okay.
Kasi binibigay ko naman
For the
sa...
family.
Yes. So, pag ganun na yung focus of what's happening now, kung at that moment, mababalanse mo naman siya. Kasi mabibigay mo yung 100% mo doon sa ginagawa mong task during that time.
Yeah. So it's really about time management,
Yes,
ano?
po.
Because finite lang yung time na meron tayo, 24 hours a day, di ba? And pare-pareho naman tayo. Pero it's a matter of prioritizing.
Yes, po.
That's what I'm hearing from you. And also making sure na lahat na alagaan, walang napapabaya ang
Yes, po.
aspeto. Because holistic eh.
Yung advice ko, for me, I would rather be growing up slowly, but surely. Kasi yung establish mo, kahit na pakunti-konti, at as hindi yung sobrang taas mo, within 5 years, nandun ka na, mabilis din naman yung pag-forward. And katulad sa mga kapatid ko, kasi may construction company kami sa Pilipinas, pag you're doing good, save ka na ng pera for the rainy days.
Yes.
At saka alagaan mo yung business, mag-invest ka doon sa business kasi yun ang mag-sustain sa'yo for the longest time.
Yun ang story ng Pilipino dito eh, di ba? We tough it out, we are resilient dahil lang sa alam natin there will be better days ahead.
Yes.
But key, yung mga taong kagaya
Yes
mo
po.
na nag-empower dahil lang sa kung, di ba, kung mawalan ka ng trabaho in the middle of the pandemic, di ba? That's very challenging. Pero kayo yung nag-provide ng hope. So you already had a business. What, for people who would like to follow your footsteps, anong advice mo na you can give maybe just several how did they start? Kumbaga, like for now, currently employee sila. So how do they go from here to there, from being employee to becoming an entrepreneur?
Kailangan po ng maraming patience at saka pagtsatsaga. Hindi kasi, madali siya mag-start eh. Mag-start ka, kumuha ka ng trade license, and all. Ang pinakamahirap, how to sustain it. Paano magtagal.